Is Hina ready with the presentation? Yes. So she will introduce Learning Point Foundation for you in quick 3 minutes, inshallah. Jazakallah khair.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. It gives me immense pleasure to inform you that I am associated with the Learning Point Foundation, one of the co-hosts of this 2-day Teachers Empowerment Workshop. Today, let me tell you what is Learning Point Foundation, what are we and what we do. It's an NGO, a team of sincerely dedicated and committed people working towards educating the society and empowering women of today's times. We believe illiteracy is the root cause of poverty. So that is where we want to work. We want to eradicate this poverty by providing education to each and everyone. We want to reach out to the masses as much as we can. This is why we strive hard to create a platform from where people can benefit the most. It all started about 3 years ago when Mrs. Sarwat Adil Khan, the founder of Learning Point Foundation, realized that she was not satisfied with just being in the field of teaching. Ma'am has alhamdulillah been a teacher and she has also headed various institutions, and then what she wants to do in life is just she decided to contribute towards the upliftment and betterment of today's youth, especially the Hafiz and the Madrasa students. She wanted them to excel in not only their religious studies but in their academics as well, which will earn them great respect and universal recognition. Mrs. Khan also emphasizes on the continuation of studies for dropouts who couldn't complete their courses due to unfortunate circumstances. This sheer and keen determination and enthusiasm of Mrs. Sarwat Khan gave birth to the Learning Point Foundation. And alhamdulillah, yes please, a round of applause for Learning Point Foundation. Thank you. Yes, alhamdulillah. Today it is a professional training institute. It imparts vocational education of utmost quality in the field of arts, science and technology. We also provide diploma courses which are really short in period so that people can benefit the most and can get back to their jobs with whatever your job-oriented skills they have. We impart them and we help them polish their skills and we help them in the way they want, be it education or be it in placements. We want to give them education, we want to give them jobs, we want to help them as much as possible. We coach the students with respect to NIOS syllabus, which is National Institute of Open Schooling. It's open schooling, the syllabus we follow at Learning Point. Okay, so NIOS for classes 10th and 12th. We prepare them for journey towards their bright future ahead. We also offer training on language skills, computer skills, personality development, and also advise students on choosing the best career based on their areas of interest. All our courses are designed to be enjoyable and make the learning process as simple and easy as possible. With the well-trained and experienced staff we have at our institute, inshallah, we are sure to make a gem out of every student. Learning Point Foundation has been working for the betterment of women ever since its inception, ever since we started. Our NGO takes pride in empowering women who come from the lower strata of society. We give utmost importance to the education of women who belong to the deprived and disadvantaged classes, whether it is widows or single mothers, orphan girls or uneducated women. Our NGO supports them to get a new lease of life through education and empowerment. Whenever we are contacted by women in need of support and guidance, we understand and study the circumstances they are in, and based on their individual experiences and difficulties, we understand their problems and we come up with solutions that suit them the best. Learning Point has always believed that self-reliance and economic empowerment of women is necessary to overcome conditions such as poverty and ability to cope with shocks That is the most important for a woman. She should be able to cope with all the shocks she gets in her life. Nothing should be able to pull her down from the heights she has to reach. So that is where we work. We work to improve a woman's overall well-being. Okay, apart from NIOS training and personality development, counseling sessions and University of Cambridge based spoken English classes along with the Cambridge certification, classes of spoken English are provided to women at Learning Point Institute. Learning Point Foundation raises aid for worthy candidates who hail from economically backward backgrounds and collects a minimal fee for those who are economically sound for NIOS training and study material along with other classes conducted at Learning Point Institute by Learning Point Foundation. But as you see, it is not that simple. This is an enormous task, and we are looking out for supporters and volunteers who can sponsor or contribute to the studies of many students who approach us every single day with hopes of pursuing their education, but their financial status is a hindrance. It is really heart-wrenching to see the steady increase in the number of such worthy students dropping out of their studies who would have otherwise excelled at their academics provided they would have had better circumstances. Only because they could not afford to carry on with their education does not mean they could not make something good out of their life. So why not we help them? Why not give wings to their dreams and aspirations so that they become inspirations of the next generation? Who knows, a student you sponsor today or you volunteer to help today may someday reach here, be here and address a gathering like yours. Tomorrow he can be here and he can make the future of the upcoming generations. So why not we lend a helping hand there? I urge you to come join hands with the Learning Point Foundation in the ways you please. Be it any way you want to help morally, financially, any help, you're most welcome. To accomplish our mission and spread rays of hope and warmth, let's together contribute to the betterment of the society and make this world a better place to live in. Thank you. Okay, I also urge you to follow us on all our social media platforms. You can follow us on our YouTube channel, you can follow us on our website so that whenever we are having any programs of such, you will be updated as soon as possible. Yes, please, social media page, subscribe, please subscribe right now, please do it. Please take out your phones, please audience, subscribe it, follow it. Yes, thank you so much.